Girl hacks!
Time to learn some more about girls. Ooh. Ooh. Okay.
Okay. Wow.
All right, this is very private. Why are we allowed in the bathroom here? Okay.
But they gonna film everything, right? Or what is just okay.
All right, sure.
Okay, yeah, sure.
Okay. This is very descriptive, but
yeah,
interesting.
and also very complicated.
What is that? It looks like a funnel.
It's it's a special thing. They show us how to put it. It's like a cup or something like so.
Got you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let us know, ladies, if we are.
Yeah, we just don't know anything. Sorry. Okay.
So onion. On your.
On your lemons.
Okay.
What does it do?
That's for a period. It's just another way how you can. Wow, it's really complicated,
yeah, it's super complicated
to comment and everything. Oh, this is storage.
Very nice. Now we have some aloe vera. Oh, wow. Okay, Jesus. Maybe chill out with the aloe vera. Okay, and the grapefruit.
Okay, it's so. Oh, they lubricated this. Okay.
With the aloe vera. Okay, cool. Cool.
Good to know. Okay,
diapers. You can use a towel as well. I've heard people do that. If you don't mind ruining the towel, but
yeah, okay.
There we go.
I think it's uncomfortable. I think it's for my point of view. I could be wrong.
Yeah.
You can correct me. Let's say, but I think to put some diapers around,
I think
this is not the best idea.
I
let's
agree,
say.
because
Yeah.
usually if I have anything on the bed, it's usually when I'm sleeping comes off the bed. So
Yes, and here, nothing to worry. Just wash your. Okay, that was weird. Anyway,
okay, money. All right,
money.
so you can hide an extra pair of underwear in your stuff.
Okay.
All right, wrap it in
If
the money.
somebody stole your money,
They also have your panties. We just get to see her go to the bathroom a lot, huh? Glitter. Oh, nice.
it's like
This is like Barbie when she uses the bathroom.
Yeah.
Glitter and sunshine. Rainbows.
Yeah.
Okay, so it like cools it down. That seems like it might be a little uncomfortable though.
I don't know.
Oh no. We're not feeling good here.
Okay, still on it.
Put it on here. I just don't understand the science.
Me neither.
Huh.
Okay.
Oh no, we're hurting on the couch.
It's. Wait, what? That can help you from the pain.
Really?
Really?
Your stomach hurts? You just that kind of
Again, if you try this and if you know, is it really works?
let us know, please, because
Let
we
us
have
know.
no idea. Oh no, we have a split. What do we do?
Yeah.
I've been in that situation many times. I used to wear very tight jeans.
Okay.
Just can't help it.
Okay. I guess we're supposed to call, I don't know, Georgia to help us with this.
That's true. That's true. We should probably get JoJo.
Yeah, but we
Or
didn't
Ruby.
know what we're gonna watch.
Yeah.
Kind of awkward situation.
Okay.
Anyway, so okay.
In case your chest
Is
goes
sweating.
on its thing. Yay! Now the problem is solved.
Wait, what?
from the-
That's
from the-
gotcha. Because I saw while going over hack, they use this for just do not sweat.
For
because
sweating.
it's for sweating, yeah.
Got you. Okay.
So
This is interesting. A heat pack inside the hoodie. I feel like it might stretch out your pockets a little bit, but if you want that, then you can do that.
you do you.
You do you.
Okay, boo boo boo.
Boo boo boo. Okay, we got some security backup stuff in our phone.
They usually show that girls should be shamed by this, and they always need to hide all these
That's true.
things
Yeah.
for these days. But actually, I feel no problem. It's kind of fine.
Well, it's
you
natural.
shouldn't hide it. It's fine. It's
okay. She did the
oh,
change.
she just dress changing.
Okay, very nice.
And
Cool.
he like, what? Wait
Whoa,
a
where
second.
did
What's
you-
happened? Where all these dresses? Oh, you so
Ah,
that was dumb. to be
yeah, that was really dumb.
honest. Sorry.
Okay, so we're coloring hair.
Yeah.
This looks like a
what?
fun color.
What is this? It's glue or what? What
It
was
looks
that?
like a type of glue or something,
It's
or like
like
a
a
type of gel.
Yeah, like it looks like a school glue. or
Nipple
something.
covers on the tattoos. Okay.
Nipple covers for
Nipple
your
covers.
tattoo?
Yep.
That's a lie. I think it's a fake.
Really?
Yeah, you saw it. They like
Oh yeah, they just took it off.
this
Yeah.
bird.
Yeah.
And like, oh, there's no more tattoo. No.
Okay.
Maybe I'm wrong.
I think you just wanted some extra seconds on your video. Okay, so we're applying makeup now. This seems to be some sort of makeover type deal.
Okay.
Okay, we're getting the eyebrows. I know nothing about the names for these things.
Me too.
I know it's-
Unfortunately,
That's like, is that eyeshadow? Maybe.
maybe. I thought you know more about
glitter
this.
eyeshadow.
Yeah.
Look at
I
that.
remember one of the challenge which you did with.
I did, yeah, I just didn't know the names of things. But, oh, okay, she just spit in them. That was weird. That made me feel uncomfortable. Oh. Okay.
What? I was confused on the second of this.
That reminded
Wait
me
a-
of Saturday nights, you know what I mean? It's cotton swab. Okay, so we got the cotton swab.
Okay.
We got the lipstick. All right, so you can get the perfect shape. She just spit in the mascara. That was weird. I wanted to spit on something else now. That's so funny.
I
Glitter hair gel. Okay. Cool.
yeah.
Shiny. Sparkly.
Uh-huh.
Fishnets. Spit.
Now you can survive.
I just,
Survival hacks.
survival hacks.
Take your net.
Spit on it.
I don't know. I feel weird.
Very nice. Okay, glue. A little bit of spit. Then we have some feathers, and then a little bit of spit.
Wait, what? Is it the Halloween costume or what is going on here?
She's turning into a bird.
Come on.
Of course. We're doing lady hacks. This is bird lady hacks.
Okay. Is bird ready for something?
Yes. Okay, we're taking up the stockings up there. All right, in the heels. Boom. Spit in the gloves before they didn't show it, but that's what they did.
Uh-huh.
It's like one of the dancers from like the 30s or the 20s or something.
Okay, so it's a costume party, right?
Yeah, it's like a costume thing.
I guess. I
Very
don't know.
fun.
Or maybe it's a casual. I don't know.
I mean, yeah, maybe it's just your Friday night. Maybe you just got home from work and you're like, I want to feel like a dancer from the 20s.
I'll spend forever. I don't know how many.
Yay!
How much it will take, but I guess it's a couple hours.
And see what I said?
Yeah,
What
yeah.
did I say?
Well, but
I'm an expert on all things 1920s.
okay.
1930s, I know nothing.
Good to know. So if something I needed about this time, I'll.
Yeah, let me
Oh,
know.
yeah.
Let me know, guys.
So
Okay, we're getting the
okay,
whole
yeah, we
thing.
good. We got
We
it.
got it.
We
Yeah.
got it. Yeah.
you,
really.
5 Minute Crafts.
Okay,
Okay.
good. It's just the costume, but you know, it was a transformation.
Ah!
Why?
Ah!
Excuse me. What is
Ah.
this shadow about?
I don't know. It's fun though.
Uh,
Ah! Nice. Is that how they do it?
Is it illegal to publish videos like so?
No!
I don't know.
Hopefully not. If you made it to this part of the video, leave us a thumbs up in the comment section below. Okay. I was for a second. I was like, really? Interesting. Okay. 5 Minute Crafts. Whoa.
You know, they came up with some another idea to put a zip, you know, on
Yeah.
this place, and here we go.
I don't think they could do that one. No, I don't think they could get away with it.
Oh,
Okay, so now we're stringing together what we just cut in half.
So yeah,
Profession.
Yeah, it's Yeah. Okay. Okay.
This is an interesting video. Okay, so now we have some running. Oh no, we're falling over.
Oh, it's. Wait a second.
How did the bra
It
fall
wasn't
all the way
right.
down there? Over your clothes?
Is it really good happen with you?
I guess so.
Oh yeah, too many stuff.
Way
That
too many
I
stuff.
even fell.
Time to organize. Organize power.
Yeah.
Nice.
Organization nation.
That looks good. Looks nice and organized.
Yeah.
All right, give us more
More reactions.
right now.
Please.